Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So another unboxing today, as you see in front of me. This is Nothing Phone 4a and the Nothing Buds 3, I think. So I went to the early drop-off in Soho Square in London. They have a small Nothing store there. You can pre-order it, it's available to pre-order. Excuse me. You will get it, I think 14th or 15th of March, but I decided to go to today. Got there bright and early. There was about 30 people in front of me. It wasn't too long to wait, so it was pretty cool. Normally when I start off with a unboxing, I tend to say, guess the color. But, of course, you can see the box kind of gives away. So this one, you get 3 earbuds. I think this is worth $79.99. I'm not sure. I need to double check that. And, yeah, just like my other phones where I pre-order or whichever ones, I got quite a few earbuds now. I think this is my 3rd earbud from Nothing. That's for free. I'm going to put that away. I won't use it because I'm still using one of my ones that I got. Been lasting for a good year. Some earbuds are pretty good. So yeah, so this one is just the entry level. 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128. People, when I got there, the lady said to me, "Are you sure you don't want to buy a 256? Blah, 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 blah." And the Nothing phones to me, I like the designs. I like their functionality. UIs are pretty good. But I've always seen them as my, I wouldn't even say backup phone because even my backup phones are pretty flagship. So this is kind of like a 3rd backup phone, like a third. Is it a word called thirdary or something like that? Phones. So I leave the specs in the beginning, as I always do. Let's unbox it. Nice. Originally, I actually planned to get a black one. I really did. But the problem was when I got there, and there was like the models side by side. And when they keep on saying when you see things in the flesh, or in this case the plastic or metal, you see them side by side. I changed my mind. And why is it not opening? There it is. I changed my mind, and I'll tell you why I changed my mind. There was a pink one, which I actually thought about that, and there's a blue one. But when you see them live, they're not for me. I said the reason why I didn't get the Nothing Phone 3a last year, I didn't get the blue one, because I thought the blue one, this is just my opinion, was it felt like a toy, the way it's designed, the colors. And the pink one also felt that way as well. So let me put that aside, and I'll tell you why I went for the white one again. Here, of course, this is UK official global version, so you won't get no charger, nothing. Apple, Google, Samsung, Sony. Come on, guys. You should get a case, which is good. At least they got a case. Kind of like a see-through one. I might get some more. But it's kind of hard because I tend to get cases from like Temu or AliExpress, cheap and cheerful, and you get these kind of really pretty, funky design for decent prices. This one's like, you can see, not hard plastic. It's pretty rubber. So I put that aside, and you've got the C2C cable, you've got the manuals, and you've got this funky SIM ejection tool. I never use them because I got tons. I don't even use the cables or even some of the chargers because so many devices I got nowadays. I just use those. So I'll leave that in there. Okay, let's put that aside. So yeah, the reason why I got a white one, because, let me just unwrap it and I'll tell you what I mean. On the picture, when you go to the website, it looks a little bit different than you see in the lighting. Maybe because the lighting, there you go, I'll just show you. Whoops, I just have to do that. I just have to let it slide. The lighting can change a lot of the products. That's part of marketing 101, isn't it? The lighting. Now, get rid of this. I'll tell you why, because when you see the black one, you have to kind of really kind of shimmer it like this on the side, and then you see like the two tones. I think I'm just getting over, maybe my eyesight's not that good because I found the black, everything kind of blended in. And I like these kind of accents, you got the white, you got the kind of silver, you got the grey, you got the like, looks like metal. Those little details, I like those little details, even like you see some of the, hope you can see it, the lines, really thin lines streaking across there. Even like if you look at the grills on this bit, I like all those things. But with the black one, it covers it up a lot more. Everything common. I mean, you look closely at an angle, you'll see it. But I just think that having these multi-tone colors really kind of help me a lot. So this one's a 6.78 inches, actually 0.1 millimeter bigger than the last generation, the last one. The design hasn't changed much, which is great. They kept the similar language. But as in saying that, I was actually asking, do they have the phone, what do you call it? Phone, the Pro version, basically. And they said it's coming in 2 weeks' time. If they had it today, I would have got the Pro. The Pro, and if you've seen the images or the pictures, it actually looks good. They kind of got away from this kind of design, and I'm actually looking forward to that. They changed the colors of the buttons. I think last year's one, they were black. I would actually like them to have kept it black myself. Usual. Speaker, USB SIM tray. This one, I think this one's the essential button, which honestly I don't use. I don't know why. I mean, yeah, I suppose AI is taking another while. I mean, better use it myself. It's there. More stuff up there. Cool. So, and you can see also, they changed the glyph, and you remember the last year had that kind of circular, and now it's on the side, like a little Knight Rider. You remember Knight Rider kit, the car? It's going to have that. I wonder if they have like I need to check it once I set everything up. I wonder if they have like a little Knight Rider thing up and down. That'd be pretty cool. Because you can see the three cameras, but a separated one. I think that looks pretty good. What I'm going to do, let me just get my last year's version and just kind of do a quick comparison on the body itself. Be back in a minute. Okay, so I'm back. This is last year's one. See, the design language is definitely similar. You know, at a glance, I reckon this one, the fourth one, I think there's an improvement to it. I really have improved it. I do like the camera changes it. So you can see that there's kind of more of a metal here, where this one has much, it's a metal as well, but it kind of blends in. See what I mean by that? The black blends in unless you're at an angle. With this one, you can, the black and silver highlight on the outside. And then here you are, the glyphs from the last year's one. A few things like that. There's one thing I do miss. I do like this little circle here on the last year's one. Size, similar. You can see they moved the buttons around. So 2 on each side. There was one gripe with the last year's one. I hope they fixed it. I was hoping, because I found these 2 buttons was too close myself. Volume and the power. Well, the good thing is, because the last year's one, you can see the power buttons on your right hand or your thumb side. So, boom, boom. Now, it seems like you're using this finger. I think that looks better, because your thumb is naturally bigger than the other fingers. You might accidentally press the volume or something like that. This one, you're using your kind of index fingers or the smaller fingers. Much easier to control and navigate. So when you hold it like this straight away, you can just click on that. Where the thumb one, yeah, I think that's a pretty good one. And then the thumb station is easier to click on the essential button. There's one more thing. Hopefully I saw reviews already, early reviews, where they haven't changed the fingerprint scanning. It's still here, still pretty low. I mean, it should be around here. Much more easier to hold. I think that's one of the things a lot of the Nothing phones have complaints. But very similar in size. Now you can see the smudges already. Wow. So this thickness, I'm thinking about the same. Like I said, beginning, you see the spec sheet. It's almost like reversed, isn't it? Or maybe I'm just doing that, so that's why, yeah. There you go. Identical, slightly. Yeah. Oh, okay. There you go. Like I said, I would like to have No, let me know what you prefer. I mean, I think the black one, I prefer having the black. Not to say silver is still pretty good, but maybe the black one, I would have kept the black one. I understand why they did it, you know, to keep the whole kind of silver, white kind of aesthetics to it. Or no, I actually think it's a step up in design overall. You know, let me know, would you prefer this one or the last generation's one? So what I do, I'm gonna set this up, transfer the data back and forth, get everything exactly the same, see what's improved, what's not. You follow me, please carry on. Please like and subscribe this video, please. Thank you, appreciate that. If you follow me, you know that in the next couple of days, few days, I'll do like kind of more hands-on impression to it, photos, videos, and so on and so forth. I may play a game, depends, because remember this is only 128 gigabytes. So I might put a game in, and then once I finish the hands-on, and I will probably delete it. So stay tuned for the next couple of days, and I'll do my impressions. So thank you for staying to the end. Like I said, please like and subscribe, all that cool stuff. Thank you, and till next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you're in the world. Please do stay safe, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. As everybody knows what's been going on in the last week or so, I think we need to be more united and be all kinder, you know. So yeah, and till next time, definitely, please stay safe. Goodbye now.